how to differentiate between British R sound and American R sound. Bagaimana cara membedakan bunyi R dalam British dan bunyi R dalam Amerika. Watch this video. Hello and welcome to United States of America in 2020, and welcome back again to this channel. And today I'm going to share with you about how to differentiate between British R sound and American R sound. Kembali lagi di channel Can Speak English. Hari ini saya mau share dengan kalian semua about how to differentiate, bagaimana cara membedakan mana British R sound dan American R sound. Okay, karena kita lihat sini English R sound ini very important, and I got a lot of students in my class, they still struggle to produce this sound. Mereka masih kesusahan menggunakan bunyi R sound, bagaimana supaya tidak bergetar. Sebenarnya simple aja, tergantung teman-teman waktu Anda latihan ya. Latihan teman-teman, semakin sering Anda latihan, I believe that you can do that, because you know, lidah ini dia juga punya otot, okay? Semakin sering dilatih dengan posisi tertentu, maka nanti dia akan terbiasa. Nah, sedikit saja saya langsung lihat di perbedaannya British R sound dan American R sound. Oke, intinya kita kenali ini British R sound dan American R sound ini bukan berarti kita harus mampu menggunakan dua-duanya, tidak begitu. Minimal kita tahu salah satunya and tahu salah satu bunyinya, okay? Jadi jangan sampai cuma pelajari satu aja. Misalnya kita hanya fokus belajar American R sound dan tidak, you don't care about British R sound. Nanti ketika when you practice with Australian, Londoner, okay, Anda teman-teman praktik dengan orang London, and you don't understand because they totally produce that sound very different, okay? Mereka mengucapkan kata-kata itu sangat berbeda. Nah, teman-teman lihat sini, aturan yang pertama, when you want to use British R sound, general rule-nya kayak gini. R is only pronounced when followed by vowel. Jadi bunyi R itu hanya dibaca jika dia bertemu dengan bunyi vokal atau bunyi hidup. For example, teman-teman lihat di sana ada kata general. Oke, general itu R-nya tetap dibaca karena setelah R ada vokal. Oke, sama dengan kata rule. Rule R-nya juga dibaca karena setelah R ada vokal. Jadi the principle of this, R is only pronounced when followed by vowel. Nah, bunyi R hanya dibaca ketika dia bertemu dengan vowel. Kalau selain daripada aturan itu, maka R tidak dibaca, khususnya dalam British R sound. How about American R sound? Bagaimana dengan bunyi American R sound? American R sound itu R is always pronounced. Bunyi R itu selalu dibaca without exceptional, oke, tanpa pengecualian sama sekali. Oke? I know that you are still confused. Anda masih bingung juga. Terus kapan bunyi R itu tidak dibaca dalam British? Ada dua aja. I think two rules is enough for you untuk teman-teman bisa bedakan mana British R sound dan mana American R sound. Dua ini aja, oke? Simple kan? Yang pertama, R sound at the end is not pronounced, oke? Bunyi R di akhir, R tidak dibaca at all. Totally, they don't pronounce that, okay? For example, like this.
Before,
okay? Before. Murni sama dengan Anda bilang answer, okay? Answer my question, please. Before you answer my question, okay? Answer. Next word, like this. Doctor. Are you a doctor? I want to see the doctor tonight. Doctor. Bukan dokter, tapi doctor pakai bunyi schwa. Next word, like teacher. Hi teacher, you are a good teacher. Teacher. Next, how about American R sound? Like this. Before doctor and teacher, okay? Simpelnya gini aja, coba teman-teman dengarkan audio ini ya. Ini adalah suaranya Presiden Barack Obama in public speaking, okay? Dia berbicara kayak gini.
You want to be a doctor or a teacher or a police officer?
You want to be a doctor or teacher or police officer? Again.
You want to be a nurse or an architect?
You want to be a nurse, an architect?
A lawyer or a member of our military?
Or lawyer or member of our military. Jadi semuanya dibaca bunyi R-nya murni seperti teman-teman menggunakan R dalam bahasa Indonesia, cuma bedanya dia tidak bergetar dalam American accent. What else? You got my point, right? Mudah kan? Jadi American accent itu semuanya dibaca. Tidak ada pengecualian sama sekali. Inggris, R di akhir tidak dibaca. Go! Yang kedua, ada R sound before consonant is not pronounced as well. Bunyi R sebelum consonant juga R tidak dibaca. Oke? Contohnya kayak mana ya? Oke, like this.
Nervous.
Nervous. I'm nervous. Are you nervous? When the first time I meet my master, I feel nervous. Oke ya? Nervous. Kenapa R nggak dibaca? Karena dia bertemu V, dan V itu consonant. Next word. Oxford. I live in Oxford Street. Oxford. Kenapa R tidak dibaca? Karena R bertemu D, dan D itu consonant. Next word. Apartment. Apartment. I live in this apartment. Where do you live? In this apartment. Apartment. What about this?
Nervous.
Nervous. Oxford. Apartment. Semuanya dibaca bunyi R. Jadi bedakan nervous and nervous. Bedakan antara Oxford dan Oxford. Bedakan antara apartment dan apartment. Go. Sound combination between R sound before consonant and R sound at the end. Ini contoh berikutnya adalah contoh dua aturan tapi dalam satu kata. Dua aturan tadi dalam satu kata. Tadi kan ada dua tuh. Sekarang dia berada dalam satu kata. Contohnya kayak gini.
Learner.
Nah, satu kata aja tapi ada dua aturan. Di sana R bertemu N, R tidak dibaca. Kemudian R di akhir, juga R tidak dibaca. Like that. Learner. I have been English learner for 5 years. Okay? Learner. Bukan learner. Itu Amerika banget tuh. Okay? Learner. I'm English learner. 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 Okay? Berkelana. Kayak gitu. And then next word like recorder. 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 Kayak gitu doang. Lidah Anda tidak bergetar ketika di R yang di tinta hitam itu. Recorder. Tanpa bergetar sama sekali. Kalau Amerika semuanya getar. Recorder. 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 Semuanya bergetar. Okay? Next word like carpenter. Okay? Artinya tukang kayu. For example, my father was a carpenter when I was kid. Okay? Carpenter. R tidak dibaca karena R bertemu P, P consonant dan R di akhir. What about American R sound? Carpenter. I am a good carpenter. Carpenter. Next word like this. Mantan. Misalnya mantan presiden. Obama is former president of United States. Former. Jadi former. Murni bilang former. Next word like this. Former. Next word like this. Partner. Do you have any partner? I think you don't have any partner. Okay. Partner. Tanpa R sama sekali. What about this? Partner. 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 Next word. Nah ini, ini gila nih. R sampai 3 dalam satu kata tapi nggak dibaca sama sekali. Oke, mubazir banget kan? Ingat mubazir teman setan. Oke, kalau di sini mubazir teman orang Britishnya karena R-nya nggak dibaca. Kenapa R pertama nggak dibaca? Karena dia bertemu F dan F itu consonant. R kedua tidak dibaca karena dia bertemu M, M itu consonant juga, dan R ketiga dia di akhir tidak dibaca. Performer. I like that. Performer. Next word like performer. Okay? And please listen to this. Dengarkan audio ini bentar. Ini adalah sound of voice of Rowan Atkinson in 1997. Ini suara ketika diwawancarai di tahun 1997. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, listen to this.
Generally, I enjoy the performance more than the joke. I usually enjoy the performer.
Performer, kayak gitu ya. Nah ini last note. I think this is very important for you as well. Ini tidak kalah penting karena gini. Teman-teman lihat ya. You are in my heart. Amerikanya ya. Nah dalam British itu tadi kita bahas ketika bunyi R di akhir bunyi R tidak dibaca. Oke ya, you are. Kalau dipisah tidak dibaca. Tapi kalau dia disambung bertemu dengan huruf vokal, maka dia tetap dibaca. Jadi dibaca you are in my heart. Yang akhir aja nggak dibaca karena R consonant. Oke, R bertemu T dan T consonant. Jadi dibaca you are in my heart. You are in my heart. Jadi you are in sama dengan Amerika, yang bedanya itu heart. Kalau orang Amerika bilang you are in my heart, British bilang you are in my heart. Kayak gitu aja. Oke. Next word. I see fire in the night. Oke. Seandainya dipisah, I see fire. Saya melihat api. Oke. Tapi kalau karena dia bertemu dengan in itu vokal, jadi R-nya tetap dibaca. I see fire in the night. You got fire. Fire. Pecatnya. Okay. Can I share on internet? Can I share on internet? Just like this. Internet. Kenapa? Share on dibaca tetap R-nya karena dia bertemu O dan O itu vokal atau vowel. Simple, right? I think you guys understand this easily. Okay, this is easy, right? Okay, let's go to exercise, the last one. Teman-teman lihat. Nah, kata exercise ini kalau British dibaca apa tuh? R bertemu consonant X. Oke, X's. R-nya nggak dibaca. Jadi dibaca exercise. Exercise. Amerika bilang exercise. Okay, read out loud British R sound. Di sini ada 10 kalimat in about 10 sentences and I want you to read this without thinking. Okay, baca aja without thinking. Salah nanti diulang-ulang lagi kalau nanti teman-teman lihat videonya. Okay? Number 1. Here you are. Here you are. Okay, yang kalimat kata yang I give black ink itu nggak usah dibaca. Okay? Here you are. How are you? 4 minutes more. 4 minutes more, I'll pick you up. 4 minutes more. 4 minutes more. I'm going to eat. Okay. Turn right faster. Let's get started. Next. I live in this apartment. Where do you work around here? Where do you work around here? Kayak gitu ya. Where do you work around here? Ada bunyi pesawat tuh. Teman-teman dengar nih. Mudah-mudahan suaranya nggak terganggu ya. And number 8. I enjoy my first class for sure. I enjoy my first class for sure. Saya benar-benar menikmati kelas pertama saya. You want to be a doctor or lawyer? You want to be a doctor or lawyer? Doctor or lawyer. Very simple. Next, and a 10. You are the best in entire universe. Okay, you are the best in entire universe. Entire universe. Okay, how about American accent? Ini American accent semuanya R dibaca. Here you are. Listen and repeat after me. Here you are. How are you? 4 minutes more. Turn right faster. Let's get started. I live in this apartment. Where do you work around here? I enjoy my first class for sure. You want to be a doctor or lawyer? Okay, lawyer. The next, you are the best in entire universe. Very simple, right? And if you have any question, you can leave your question below. And if you still don't understand, please try to repeat again and again until you understand. No need to rush. Tidak usah buru-buru when you want to drill R sound like this. Ketika teman-teman mau melatih ini, nggak usah buru-buru, baca santai aja. Yang penting Anda mengenal bunyi. Oh, ternyata Amerika bilang turn, British bilang turn, Amerika bilang carpenter, British bilang carpenter. Teman-teman, yang penting Anda bisa bedakan itu. Then you don't get misunderstanding when you practice your English with native English speaker around you. Okay. Alright, I think that's all for today, and hopefully you can understand what I'm talking about. And the key is practice it right now. Don't be shy if you want to practice this, because I know people will judge you that you are too much. Pasti orang akan menilai Anda berlebihan dalam pengucapan bahasa Inggris, but that's normal. Okay, itu biasa aja itu. Thank you. See you then.